Now, the next bidet that we have is the one from Luxe Bidet, okay? So this is the Luxe Bidet Neo 185 Plus. And this one feels a bit more refined. So I have this one in particular for well over a year now. The pressure feels great. It's also a non-electric design, but there are a few features about it which does make me stick out or does have it stick out compared to other bidets that I've used. Now, this bidet also has a flip design. So as you can see here, it does have a shield that covers the bidet itself. But with that shield though, it's also able to self-wash. So by self-washing, there are three different types. So you have the regular bidet, you have a feminine wash, and then you have the nozzle cleanser. So with a nozzle cleanser, if you go ahead and turn the nozzle here and turn it on, it'll actually start to rinse out the nozzle itself. So a bit more sanitary compared to other bidets that I've used. If installation is very easy, the self-cleaning mode that's included with the Luxe Bidet, they call it like a 360-degree self-cleaning mode. And I just appreciate like with any other, unlike other bidets, how it does have a shield plus a nozzle cleaner with the water rinser. Now, similar to the water lace, you get nozzles for the rear and feminine wash, as indicated by this knob here. And then you have the pressure control, which is this knob over here. So if I recall installing it a while back, installation was very easy. You just install the flexi hose, take out all the water from the tank. There's a T adapter included. What I did notice about this bidet in particular though, is that I don't recall if it has non-stick pads. But overall, the Luxe Bidet still feels like it's brand new. Like I really do like this bidet. It's been holding up strong for about 2 years now. Nothing is peeling as far as all the marks go on the bidet itself. It's got a nice slim design. And unlike other bidets, I really do think that Luxe Bidet does a nice emphasis when it comes to cleaning the nozzle itself. So really great bidet overall. You won't be disappointed if you ended up going up with this option.